Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are out somewhere, me and my son Kevin, somewhere in Arizona, southeastern Arizona, and we're just out exploring some back roads today.
Man, this is a beautiful trail.
This is pretty cool. Don't know where we're going to come out.
Whoa, at a big old rut. That's where we're coming out.
Yeah, I'm almost about to take it there.
Is this the end? Oh, no. Okay, there's a gate.
Oh,
Dang, it just keeps on going, don't it?
please come in. Boy, it looks like it's grown up. Nobody goes through here. That's for sure.
Not hardly.
From the looks of all this grass. That grass growing through here is pretty wild.
Yeah, I know.
They used to riding in grass so much. We're definitely down here where there's some water.
Wait, hold up. Is that same bluff?
Nah, I wouldn't think.
So we didn't circle around?
I don't know. It could be. I can't say it ain't.
Private property, national forest.
Well, it shows the road goes right here, but you can't go off that. I don't think it's the same one.
Well, it looked like there was a crossing in the creek up here. Did you see that?
Yeah, it must be. Pretty cool anyway. Now, which way does it go down the creek, I think? I think we're supposed to go down the creek.
This
Tracks
thing?
going this way.
Oh. Maybe.
I don't know. You can go over and turn around. Maybe easier.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, whoa! There was a bunch of deer right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's like 5 of them. I think 2 or 3 of them were probably bucks.
Well, I didn't see them.
Oh, a couple of them were bucks.
I don't believe it unless I see them up on the ridge up there running now.
Yeah, that's where they're at. Yeah, this almost looks like a creek bed you can drive through or something. What is this?
This is some soft, sandy stuff down in here. I see tracks through there.
And it almost looks like there used to be tracks through there, too.
It does.
Probably tracks all through here from farmers or whatnot.
People making their way around where it's washed out, probably. I'm thinking this is probably the way, probably left here. Somewhere.
Yeah, it's right here, I think. Yeah, this is definitely a tire track.
Yeah, you're on it. I can see it on the map.
This is a crazy little trail down through here.
Uh-huh.
Whoa, that is deep sand. Jeez.
Yeah.
Oh, comes onto another road.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute. This is that private property.
No, it's a different creek.
No, this is that private property.
Is it?
Yeah, I could tell just by the shape of that creek it was the same one, and I see the corner of the gate right there.
Oh, crud.
So, well, now we know where that comes out.
Well, we're going to turn around and go back. Sure enough. That's crazy.
That's nuts.
Huh.
Well, that's a cool little road we can show Scotty now.
Yeah.
Scotty would like that one. That's actually one of my favorite ones I've been on so far. That was cold.
That's cold water.
Yeah, it like forced its way straight into my left boot. Like instantly. Like my right boot, I'm completely dry. My left boot, I'm soaked. And it's cold. Feels kind of good though. Yeah, that's one of my favorites so far. As far as like these simple trails around here go, that's definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Especially since it comes through and out somewhere and we know where it comes out.
Yeah, now we're going to come back to this gate.
Yeah, the double gates.
The double gates. We'll probably go back through this one, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring we would do.
Or we went to the one there. When we got up there, up that road, and went to the top, we turned, I don't know, we just go, I guess.
What? Is it this side? Oh, it's
yeah,
this
that side.
1/4 mile, turn left on unpaved road.
Yeah, it's really weird. My right boot is like, this is a hair of desert right now. My left boot's like the swamp.
My right boot got wet and left boot just the opposite.
Because what it did whenever I went through there, that water like forced my leg off the peg, and then it forced it down like this, and then it just like got covered in water.
Cool you off.
Yeah, I wasn't going to split it like that, but I was like, man, he did it.
Yeah. I knew after I did it, you would.
Yeah, I said, might as well. This is an awesome little ride through here, down through these bottoms and stuff.
Yeah, I like this kind of riding.
Oh, deer.
There he goes.
Man, and we've been seeing a lot of deer. Oh, 2 of them.
Yeah, they're crazy around here, ain't there? A bunch of them.
Yeah, see, if we want to go riding during the hot part of the day, this is where we go riding right here.
Uh-huh. Down here in the cool shade. Stay out of that desert.
Oh, man, that was just enough to bottom out that dang suspension. I felt like I hurt a little bit.
Got pretty good air.
Oh, yeah, I got really good air right there. Yeah, that bottomed out my front suspension pretty good. It said, clack.
It said, that's too much.
Yeah, that's why I said it kind of hurt a little bit.
It says this thing ain't made for jumping. What do you do?
Yeah, that's what I was telling somebody last night, because I was telling them, I was like, I'm going to get off. I got to go ride in the morning real early, probably early, don't know, with my dad. And they asked me, like, what riding I do, what not, and, like, what all riding I have to do. And I was like, well, there's a track here. And he's like, well, why don't you take your bike on the track? And I was like, well, because it's a dual sport, and the suspension wouldn't even handle jumping off of a whoop. So,
Yeah. Go on that track, but you can't jump nothing.
I was like, if I wanted suspension to handle something like that, I'd have to throw like $2,000 into my bike.
Yeah, I tried it around that track, and it just
I would
much
still
good.
like to go there just to roll the track and to like mess around and practice in the flat track, you know, like to practice on the sand.
It's
but
super sandy.
Yeah, that's why I would like to use that to practice, because we ain't really got to go too far of our way for it, and it's right there.
Right.
And so, like, let's say if you're practicing and you do go down, it's not like we're out in the freaking mountains or anything. We're right there next to home. Got it.
Another gate.
Gates everywhere. Ruining my vibe, man. I guess that's their one way of putting speed bumps through here.
That's a tight one there.
Ooh.
What?
Hey, when you get that done, you should come look at my back tire now. That back hill really ate my tire up. Look at that.
Yeah, he was chewing the rocks.
I was just spinning. Not just that, also, especially once I started getting further up, and I was like trying to keep it. Oh, that's what I was going to say whenever I lost my train of thought, because I was trying to keep it like from wheeling up the hill. But it kept like bumping like that and slamming the tire down as it was spinning, so it was really eating at it.
Yeah, I'd worry too much about wheeling.
I didn't think so with like there not really being too much traction, but I still didn't want to. I still didn't want to chance it. That's why I was putting all my weight up front and keeping my clutch handy.
But sometimes you can catch traction and come up on a wheelie.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to be careful, because you never know. I could have dug down deep enough. I could have hit like a rock or something and caught traction. Or something solid. Well, you can't say that we ain't put our dual sports through the test, that's for sure.
Ain't no doubt.
Jeez. Just got this thing, and I've already put it through about everything besides snow.
Well, there'll probably be snow this winter on these mountains.
Yeah, I can't wait to get some really cool pictures out in the snow in the mountains. That'll be some awesome pictures right there.
Yeah. Well, guys, we're going to end this video here. We're headed toward those mountains, back toward the hacienda. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up and subscribe down below as always. Catch you all on the next one. God bless. Right on.